Alright, boys and girls, welcome back here. We're just gonna jump right into it. We found a volcano. So, I'm glad that Professor Oak is sending his grandson to an unexplored path, by the way. I just found this last episode. So he's just sending his grandson to a volcano to take pictures of Pokemon. Oh! Rapidash! Holy shit. Oh my gosh. They're majestic, dude. Oh, I love them. You want an apple? Oh, it gets like... It loves that. Eevee? Or Vulpix? I thought you were an Eevee, my bad. Aw. Okay, what else we got? What else we got? Oh, look at him. What am I missing? What am I missing? What's that? It's like a Magmar, right? Well, I might as well take a picture now, but hopefully we'll get closer to it. Is that a Charmander? What's over here? Anything? Am I missing anything? Man, I'm glad I'm playing a volcano level because I am sweating my butt off right now in my game room. That's a good picture, dude. That's a great picture. Oh, let me go into the Charmander. That's really good, too. Good, 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 good. Nothing? Nothing nowhere? What's that? What the fuck is that? That's got a 8. Okay. You gonna hatch? Old trace, baby! Yeah, that's a good pose, man. Man, I'm killing it this level here. Moltres, work it, baby! Work it for that camera here. What else we got? Oh, something's gonna be in this water, right? Tell me it's not. Nothing? Really? Is that a Charmeleon? No! Come here! Have an apple. Have an apple! Anything over here that I'm missing? No. That's a good picture. Alright, someone's coming out of here, right? Come on. Oh! Oh! Wait, do it again, do it again. Something in here? Nah, alright, that's it. That wasn't a bad run, right? We took a bunch of them. Oh man, the Rapidash, the first picture of Rapidash came out pretty good too. I feel like that one's really good. Let's see if there's a better one. That one's fantastic. You can't tell me that one's not a good one. Well, obviously... Oh yeah, that's the winner right there. That's a good one of Magmar, and then that's a good one of Charmander. And probably that one. Oh, did I get this one? Nice. Okay, I didn't think I got that. Alright, that should be good, right? Let's see what the Okinator has to say. What's new? Let me see. That's a Rapidash. How's the size? It's so-so. 700 for the points. The technique, though. Okay, it's right in the middle.
Wonderful.
Wonderful. I know, I'm killing it. Okay. Yeah, the pose is what's killing it right there. Technique is great. Come on, man. Yeah. Sweet.
Wonderful.
Size, that's okay.
Wonderful.
Yeah. It's little, I know. Pretty good, though. Yeah.
Wonderful.
Hell yeah, it's a Moltres. So. What a wonderful pose. That's a hell of a bonus point for that.
Wonderful.
That might be my best photo right there.
Wonderful.
Yeah, Magikarp sucks, dude. Oh, the other one's way... I didn't know I had a magic carp before.
Wait.
Yeah, we're gonna stay at that one. You'll find out what the next course if you take 2 more Pokemon pictures. Right.
Welcome back.
Alright, here's what I'm gonna do then. We're going back to the course. I'm gonna go to the beach, because this time I got apples. I'll see you guys in a second here. Oh, I'm gonna get the Snorlax up, dude. Hey, fatty. Come on, Tubba Blubba. Really? Oh, whatever. You're really not gonna get up after all that? You chunky ass. Hey, there's a Chansey. Okay, okay. Can I hit you? I can hit you. Tell me I can't. Come here. Does your baby count as another picture? I don't think it does. Damn it. I had Freakazoids. I went back to the, no Volcano here. I feel like I need one more damn Pokemon. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Wait, he evolved him. Wait a minute. Can you guys, like, attack each other? Oh, damn. There's a, I didn't expect this many, you guys. Now, can I... What if I get it into these pools here? I feel like I got him in, right? Maybe not? Oh, boy, I don't know. Can you turn into a freaking... Oh, that could be something. Charizard? Yeah, dude! Hell yeah, brother! Just in time, holy shit. Okie dokie, let's check this out and skedaddle here. That's Rapidash, yeah.
Oh. Well done.
Yeah, I think that Charmander's a little better too, right, old man? Maybe not. Oh, shit. Never mind. Not very good. Well, that still counts, though, right? I mean, come on. Let's return to the lab.
Welcome back.
You are doing fine job, Uncle. Choose go to course. Uncle can now go to the next course. Alright, boys and girls, we're gonna do the river next time. Until then, I still haven't seen a freaking Geodude this whole playthrough, but that's alright. We'll keep our cool. Keep cool, keep frosty, and hasta la pasta, babies.